Hello, this is Mark Denham, radio presenter, audio producer, podcaster and voiceover. Today on the audio journey, and indeed next time, we'll be looking at generating sounds and generating noise and tones specifically within Adobe Audition and what it is that you can do with those sounds and tones. So we looked at generating tones to create the news pips, and we did that in the last part of the audio journey. We've already looked at creating speech. Now we're going to look at how you can use tones and noise that you have generated. So what we have is we have the option to open a new file, and we will just call this 440 tone. Okay. And there is a reason for this. We're going to go into effects and generate, and then we'll look at tones, and we will do a 440 tone. So let's generate that now, and you will, there it is. There's the 440 tone. We'll now create another new file, and we'll call it 1K tone. And this time we will generate the tone, and we will have a 1000 hertz, a 1 kilohertz tone. Higher pitch tone. We'll now generate a sweeping tone. And again, we go into effects and generate and tones. And we now look at sweeping the frequency. So we'll start at 1000 and we will go down, we'll go up even to 20,000. How about then if we're going that high? We start with that 440 and we get a sweeping tone with a sine wave. So now you'll hear. And there it is. That's going to get piercingly loud. Then it'll get to a range where the human hearing cannot hear. For me, that's gone. That may still be going for you. But for me, that has gone. All right. So now we've generated some tones. I don't want that. Thank you so much. We'll deal with that in a moment. Oh, we'll deal with it now then. Okay. What we will also do now is we will generate some noise. When you go into effects and generate noise, let me just show you first before we create the file. You have white, brown, pink, grey, all different types of noise. So we'll have white noise first. And we'll go in and we will generate some noise, and we will have some white noise, which sounds like this. Then we'll have some brown noise in another new file, effects and generate noise, and we'll have some brown noise, which is different again. And then we'll generate the other two as well, because we can. Pink noise, which is that's going to be annoying, is it? That's just going to flash away now until I agree to it. Effects, generate, noise, pink. No, not brown, pink. Thank you. There we are. We'll generate that. And finally, we'll have some grey noise, which you can generate again using the effects, generate noise, and we will have some grey noise. And there it is. Okay, so we have generated all of those noises. What might you need them for? That's where the next part of the audio journey comes in. So what we'll do is we will save all of those files, and then we will have a look at the next part of the audio journey, what it is that you can do. So now we've learned how to generate tones, how to generate noise. Hopefully that's been of some help to you. And as I say, the next part will show you what it is that we can do with those. As always, if there are any questions, feel free to ask. The whole audio journey is on my website at markdenham.com. You'll also find the contact tab if you're on the website if you have any questions. Again, if you're watching on YouTube, you can subscribe and tick the notification bell so you know when the next part is out. And you can also ask your questions in the comments beneath this video. Go away, have some fun with generating tones and noise.